นั่นดีแล้วหรือยัง
จะต้องให้น้ำมันเพิ่มนิดหน่อยเดี๋ยวพรุ่งนี้ลองเดินในนากันได้สิ
เหมือนขวายแก้หรือลูกนะแต่อย่างน้อยมันก็ย้ำได้ไม่จมเหมือนปีที่แล้วใช่แค่ค่อยๆเดินก็พอแล้วข่าวจะขึ้นทัน
ยังไม่พังกลางทางนะ
เดี๋ยวคอย
Easy there, let the gears catch.
Pistons sound good.
Canopy swaying like a boat. Better than last week. All right, here goes. Watch the splash, kids.
Whoa! Let the sweat more than me.
Looks like it's ready for the field, Arun.
ลงดึงเชือกไว้แสงอีกก้าวเดียวถึงแล้ว
Ready. Turn the wrist. Right. Good. Drop it in the grate. That's it. Nice and clean. All right. Go again.
She's walking smoother now.
Little grace and patience. That's all she needed.
Look at that light. It feels like the field's on fire.
Good sign. Tomorrow will be clear.
Birds think so too.
Got it. Thread feels smooth now.
Tighten that last half turn. There.
Weld's clean. She won't snap again.
Good. Tomorrow she'll walk.
If the rain gives us a break.
She'll walk anyway.
Hold the frame steady.
Chewing the edge.
Wait in. All right, put. Yeah. Still jumping. Quick.
Got it turning. Okay, try now.
You did good today, old boy. Kept the field dry, even with that storm.
He'll be ready again by morning.
Yeah, so will we.
That's another step. Still holding. Gears feel smoother this time.
Smells like it's about to catch fire, Arun.
She just needs to breathe. Listen to her.
I'm listening. She's loud.
Loud means alive.
Piston's bent clean through.
And the plate's cracked. We're lucky the frame's still holding.
We'll patch her. Just need time.
Time and another dry day.
She's sinking! Keep her steady! The mud's like glue! Give me more throttle! I'm at the limit! Hold that rope! Steady! Pull! Now! She's free! Keep her moving before the next wave hits!
Bolt's gone again.
Rapid, hold steady.
Tight as you can. She needs one more chance.
Got it? Gauge is green.
All right. Moment of truth.
Do it!
Here we go!
Can't believe she's moving.
Told you she'd pull through.
Best morning in a long time.
And she's just getting